Hello, FM English with Mr. Kabada. Today I have a lesson. The lesson is an online training, especially for ALIS exam training. ALIS exam training, which is new, and I've already designed complete guide to give training face to face and an online training place. Yeah. ዛሬ በዛሬው ርዕስ ይዤላችሁ የቀረብኩት አይሊት ትሬኒንግ በተለይ ወደ ውጭ ሀገር ለምትሄዱ የአይሊት ኦንላይን ትሬኒንግ ለምትፈተኙ ተማሪዎች ወይም ቋንቋ ለማሻሻል የምትፈልጉ ኮምፕሊት ጋይዱን አዘጋጅቼ ትሬኒንግ መስጠት ጀምሬያለሁ actually. So let me introduce what IELTS training by itself is. Actually, this is complete guide questions and topics for all four major skills and minor skills. A international English language testing system ነው IELTS ማለት international English language testing system የእንግሊዘኛ ዓለም አቀፍ የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ አፈታተን ሲስተም ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ IELTS ኤግዛም የሚያጠቃልላቸው ኮርሶች major skills, speaking skill, writing, reading and listening skill plus the sub skills of English language, please. So there is a complete guide. I have already prepared it. I started to give training face to face, and I'm going to start an online training focusing on IELTS. Yes, right, please. The other point here is ሁለተኛው part international English language testing system IELTS proficiency test ነው actually. Proficiency test ማለት የእንግሊሽ ላንጉዌጅ ኤቢሊቲ እንግሊሽ ላንጉዌጅ ካፓሲቲ እንግሊሽ ላንጉዌጅ አቺቭመንት ኢቫሉዌት የምናደርግበት አንድ ኢንተርናሽናል ላንጉዌጅ ቴስቲንግ ሲስተም ነው IELTS ማለት ራይት። ፕሮፊሲየንሲ ማለት ስኪል ነው። ስኪልን ኢቫሉዌት የምናደርግበት ነው። ኤቢሊቲ ኦፍ ፕሬዘንቲንግ ability of understanding the reading text, ability of listening and interpreting what you have listened and complete the questions, ability of writing maybe paragraphs, writing maybe composition, writing maybe argumentative essay, and maybe just these are the major. How can you communicate in English with native speakers or communicate with your friends, communicate with instructors in universities and colleges? So this is called examples of proficiency means, right? ያዳምጥነው ምን ያክል ኢንተርፕሬት እናደርጋለን አዳምጠን በራሳችን ቋንቋ እንዴት መጻፍ እንችላለን ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ እንችላለን መመለስ እንችላለን ያነበብነውን ጉዳይ እንዴት ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ እንችላለን ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ እንዴት እንጻፋለን ወይም ኢንፈረንስ እንዴት እናወጣ እንችላለን ኢምፕላይድ ሚኒንግ እንዴት እናወጣለን ራይቲንግ ኢሴ ራይቲንግ ፓራግራፍ ራይቲንግ ኮምፖዚሽን እንዴት እንጽፋለን ኮሙኒኬት እንዴት እናደርግ እንችላለን እነዚህን with focusing on the theoretical aspects including the practical aspects. IELTS is going to give an example. IELTS is going to give an example. So this is my contact if you want to learn or get a training. So this is my contact 0913337171 or 0983682276. Yeah, exactly. In addition to this major skills, IELTS training is going to give also the minor skills, grammar questions, vocabulary, pronunciation, spelling and coherence are evaluated with these main sections, please. Yeah. ስለዚህ IELTS skills major skills ብቻ ዋና የቋንቋ ክህሎቶች ብቻ ሳይሆን የሚያጠቃልለው grammar ላይ ያጠቃልላል። grammar of the 12 tense kinds. What about part of speech in oral, active voice, passive voice? What about reported speech? What about conditionals, degrees of comparison? All the grammar parts are included under IELTS exams. What about vocabulary actually? Vocabulary, how can you guess vocabulary words? We have different strategies of guessing vocabulary words, please. I have already designed strategies with practical examples. Please, you'll be a participant of my online training, please. Yeah. What about pronunciation? Yeah, we have actually some more strategies of improving your pronunciation, just like native speakers. We have two broad divisions here, the American pronunciation and the British pronunciation. We have different ways, including the audio visuals plus shadowing plus native speakers pronunciation, an important strategy I have already designed, which is in my hand. I'm still giving training to my actual classroom, and my actual classroom elite trainees. So I will employ these pronunciation techniques to those that you want to get a training through my YouTube channel. There is also spelling rules, please. Spelling rules. We have different ways of writing correct and meaningful sentences and words. And there's coherence, means whenever you are intended to write sentences, intended to write paragraphs, essays, how words are interwoven each other. What's coherence by itself? What are the different strategies of making a coherent paragraph, making a coherent composition, maybe argumentative writing? I have also some key strategies, some methods. I'm going to give this training with very smartly, please, or smart way, please. Yeah, you'll be a member of my online training. Yes, right. Neither. And this is comprehensive guide provides example questions and topics for each skill area, please. እነዚህን አሁን ያልኳቸውን ጉዳዮች በምሳሌ በተደገፈ ነው ትሬኒንጉ የሚሰጠው። ለእያንዳንዳቸው ይዘቶች ራሳቸውን የቻለ ኩዌስችንስ አለ፣ ፕራክቲካል ማለማመጃ ጥያቄዎች አሉ። ይሄ ፕራክቲካል የሆነ አይኒ ትሬኒንግን የኦንላይን ትሬኒንግ ሜምበር ሆነው ያው መዝገባውን ያድርጉ። አድራሻችን እዚህ ጋር በተጠቀሰው አድራሻ ኮንታክት ያድርጉ ፕሊዝ። Ways of training, the very important issue here is 40% with practical training, not theoretical based አይደለም። አይኒ ትሬኒንግ በተፈጥሮ ምን ይፈልጋል? ፕራክቲካል ነው፣ ልምምድ ይፈልጋል። actually listening ብንለው writing, reading, whatever any kind of major and sub skills, there is a need of practical training. Yes, so most of the online training is focused on practical. ስለዚህ 40% ምንድነው የሚሆነው? practical training ነው፣ ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም። 10% model testing ነው። actually I've already adjusted everything in every skills and sub skills. So model testing አለ and every lesson, please, and every አንዱ lesson ስንጨርስ model testing አለ። አንዱ major skill ስንጨርስ model testing አለ። based on that you are going to just evaluate how much you understand, how much you learn, how much you intrinsically motivated or understand about this IELTS exams or IELTS English language. 20% presentation, which is an online presentation for the given topics, whether the topics are writing, maybe grammar, maybe vocabulary, pronunciation, coherence, and spelling. All the skills that I'm going to give you a training, please. So the presentation 20% አለ። Finally 15% practical project work ይሰጣቸዋል። 15% practical project work ይሰራል። project workን ኦንላይን ነው እዛው ጋር መሰሩት፣ ኦንላይን ነው እዛ ጋር የሚሰራው። ፋይናሊ ሰብሚት ታደርጋላችሁ ራሱን የቻለ ማርክ ያለው። and the other 50% ፊድባክ ነው የሚሰጥበት በእያንዳንዱ ቶፒክ ላይ በእያንዳንዱ ይዘት ላይ ፊድባክ እንለዋወጥበታለን። by the way, feedback is important to evaluate how much you understand the IELTS skills and how much, what gap do I have whenever you do not understand about the training that I'm going to give you. Feedback is very important. Unless I give you feedback, I cannot just understand how much you understand the lesson and how much I'm interested to teach you, please. Your feedback is the key issue to get or to share an experience with me and with my students that are learning on online, please. Feedback very important ነው። feedback አንደኛ የኔን የማስተማር ዘዴ ኢቫሉዌት አደርግበታለሁ፣ ጠንካራና ደካማ ጎን ይለይበታል። ሁለተኛ ምን ያክል እናንተ ተረድታችሁታል ሐሳቡን፣ እሱንም ማይበት መንገድ ስለሆነ feedback very important። 50% ኦንላይን ፊድባክ እንሰጣጥበታለን። ፒር ፊድባክ አለ፣ ሰልፍ ፊድባክ አለ፣ ሪፈረንስ ፊድባክ አለ። ራሱ ሪፈር አደርጋችኋለሁ መጽሐፍ ላይ መጽሐፉን ፖይንት አውት አደርግላችኋለሁ። እዛ ጋር ሄዳችሁ ያገኛችሁትን ጉዳይ በኦንላይን ሸር እንደራረጋለን ማለት ነው። I will repeat once, please. This is my online address. Suppose you can contact with this address, please. Striving for improving your English, please. ስለዚህ እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ለማሻሻል ሁላችንም መሮጥ መገስገስ እንዳለብን እዚህ ጋር አስምሬ መናገር ፈልጋለሁ፣ ፕሊዝ። ስለዚህ ኦንላይን ትሬኒንግ IELTS ኦንላይን ትሬኒንግ መመዝገብ ወመሰልጠን የምትፈልጉ ከዛሬው ጀምራችሁ በዚህ አድራሻ ፎን በማድረግ ሄሎ በማለት ኮንታክት አድርጉኝ። በቀጥታ በተጀመረው ተማሪ በተገኘው ተማሪ ስልጠናው ይጀምራል። whatever it is ትሬኒንጉ ይቀጥላል። በነገራችን ላይ ትሬኒንጉ ኦንላይን ትሬኒንጉ አለ። በልክ በዩቲዩብ ቻናሌ ስልጠናውን እሰጣለሁ። ኦፍ ኮርስ ዛመጋ ማግኘት ይቻላል። ግን ስፔሲፊካሊ ኦንላይን ሜምበር ከሆናችሁ ደግሞ ፓርቲኩላር የሆነ ልክ እንደ ቪአይፒ ነው ማያችሁ። በቪአይፒ ህግ መሰረት ነው ማስተምራችሁ ማድረገው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ don't forget this one, please. those who complete for the complete elite course, I will certify you please. Yeah. የኤሊቲን ኮምፕሊት ኮርስ ኮምፕሊት ለሚያደርግ ሰልጣኝ ወይም ተማሪ ሰርቲፊኬት ይዘጋጃል። I will certify you please. certify አደርጋለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ which is important to take an international English language testing. If you are a member of, if you take a training with family English language with Mr. ከበደ please እኔ ጋር ብትመዘገቡ ይሄን ትሬኒንግ ማግኘት እንችላለን። Actually I have published more than 350 YouTube videos please. በዚህ family English language YouTube 350 እና በላይ የሚደርሱ YouTube ቻናል YouTube ይዘቶችን ፐብሊሽ አድርጌያለሁ። Of course የዩቲዩብ ፓርትነር ነኝ አሁን YouTube ተከፋይ ነኝ። Plus my status here is an instructor. I will repeat, my status is an instructor, English instructor. So I'll do my best to bring a change on your English language elite tests please. Yeah. ምናልባት ክፍያውን ማወቅ የምትፈልጉ ፌል የሆነ መንዝል ነው። በጣም ከባድ አይደለም። ያለውን የኑሮ ሁኔታ ውድነት ያገናዘበ ክፍያ ነው ያደረኩት። የሚከብድ አይደለም። ይሄንን እንደዚህ ኮሙኒኬት ማድረግ እንችላለን። I think this is very important issue please. Yeah, there is very critical issue. Yeah, ጋይዱ ተዘጋጅቷል። ኮምፕሊት ጋይዱ ተዘጋጅቷል። እሱ የምትፈልጉ ሼር ማድረግ ይችላልው and I hope you will be member of my YouTube channel. I thank you to those who is going to take a training through my YouTube channel from Family League with Mr. Kabada. Nice. Nice place. Yeah. Don't forget to contact me, my friend.